So this one is a criminal story by Christopher Brookmyre, Sleeping Dogs Awakened. So who does that? Somehow I translate it, but it's not good to read something that it was originally English, to read it in German. A lot of its wit is lost, because here it says every molecule of the air was tipsy and tired. So he's describing Glasgow via the scents that you can take in of urine, blood, and the smog. So there then is a body, someone dead. So it's a criminal story. So again, you're losing your life time by reading something like this, and it doesn't give you, well, you can avoid your reality. That's good. And also, if it were proper German, I'm not sure, then you could also get into, you know, formulating sentences and getting to know new words. That one is a good thing about reading, because you get more fluent in your own language. That's a good thing about reading. But you pick up the way the sentences are structured very much. So if you're reading long sentences for a long time, you tend to start to think like that as well. So when you start talking to real life people, your sentences lack the moment of being just 5 words. So people go, a strange person. That one happened to me. I was reading a lot of Thomas Mann, the brother of the book that we have looked at in another review. So that one probably has the same sentence structure as his brother. So you start to get into this slow thinking mode by that. So this criminal story might be good for someone wanting to learn German, because now it's German. But otherwise, read the stuff in its original language, you know. And the criminal stories, why would I want to read those? I did so myself when I was young with the 3 investigators and stuff. Well, it's all the unsolved is intriguing. So there you lose a lot of time. But once you start with that, you also end up in Kabbalah, Tarot, the runes, astrology. And there already it seems to be scientific what you're doing, but it isn't. It's a long-term project by the financial elite to steal our lifetime. Yeah. I mean, what is more of a moment? These kind of criminal books when you're living in a city with grey walls, or these sort of mountains? There is this one as well. I try to always not see the city, which is like, you know, there's nobody living there. But these, yeah, or these, nature, or these, you know, nice, 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 nice. Just the book, just my own imagination. No, that's not for me. I want to have the real one, the real thing. That's why I will go for a hike today. I always do something like a little hiking tour or something every day. Just experience life, and then in the evening I will upload some videos, or I will write on my book. I'm also a writer and author, so I'm also contributing to this lifeless world of letters. But I'm also kind of taking from my life. I'm not inventing stuff. I'm just writing about my own life. And because that one has been interesting so far, and kind of gives away a lot about how Switzerland legally is built up, and how my derailed relationships went, someone can learn something from it. That's why I do it. So again, this book is a no-no. Goodbye.